You may have seen our previous video on external water heaters and therefore be a little surprised to see us with this. Well, what makes it different? Stick with us to find out. Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, it really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I know what you didn't like. This is the Gasland AS132 Instant LPG water heater and shower kit. In the past, we've been a little critical of this style of water heater due to safety concerns about them and how some people install and use them. Why are Gasland different? Well, firstly, it's tested and fully certified for use in the UK and EU. But also Gasland are very clear in all of their material that it should be used outside and not installed inside, which in our opinion is the only safe way to use this type of water heater. If you're not sure why that is, then check out our video up here. We're going to take a closer look at the AS132, which includes everything you need to get a hot outdoor shower up and running. And we're going to try it out in a few different ways to see how it performs. So let's get on with it. The AS132 isn't just a water heater, it's a full shower solution in a box. So let's see what you get. Got the gas pipe and regulator, water inlet pipes, water outlet pipe and a pretty fancy shower head. All the little fittings you need, a 12 volt pressure sensitive pump, full instructions and the surprisingly small and light water heater. So let's take a look at how easy it is to get this lot together following the instructions provided. When it comes to mounting, the AS132 needs to be kept vertical and away from flammable materials. Being small and light, it can easily be temporarily mounted using its handle or more permanently mounted with the supplied hardware. All the connections needed are on the bottom of the water heater. We'll start by connecting the gas pipe, which we'll tighten later, and then there are colour coordinated quick connectors for the hot water outlet and the cold water inlet. We've already installed two D-size batteries for the igniter. For its first use, we need to connect the water inlet pipes provided to the pump and secure them with the supplied Jubilee clips. We add the supplied water filter to the inlet pipe to the pump and pop this into our water container. Then connect the outlet from the pump to the cold water inlet on the water heater. The shower head attaches to one end of the outlet hose and the other end attaches to the hot water outlet on the heater. The kit comes with a mount for the shower head, but we're going to use our trusty double suction cup and flexible mount that we use for various tasks. You can find links to this in the video description. The gas regulator that comes with the kit is a clip-on type, I believe for patio gas bottles. As we have standard caliber propane cylinders, I did need to change it for a suitable regulator. Then, once all the gas connections had been tightened, we turned on the gas and used our Toptes LPG detector, which we reviewed in this video linked here and in the video notes to make sure we had no leaks. Then our final task was to connect the 12 volts to the pump. We'll look later how we can connect gas, power and water more permanently, but in this case we've used a leisure battery. The pump pressurises and then stops when up to pressure. Then when you turn on the water to flow, you can hear the heater ignite, and a few seconds later the hot water is flowing. The shower head has multiple settings for varying or even stopping the flow and 3 different flow patterns. 2 control dials on the front of the unit also let you adjust the flow rate and the water temperature, so you can make it comfortable for whoever is using the shower. So whether it's for warming up after a cold dip in the sea or getting clean, the Gasland AS132 was simple to set up and performed really well. It also packs up nice and small for storage. If total portability isn't something you need, then we've also integrated it well with our van's existing refillable gas system using our barbecue point, our freshwater tank drain point and a 12 volt connection in the rear garage of the van, making it super simple to set up and take down. So overall, with everything you need included, it's 2-year warranty, safety certification, Ease of setup and use, we've been really impressed with the Gasland AS132. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.